Question number 30. The number of bacteria in a certain culture doubles every hour. If there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, how many bacteria will be present at the end of second hour, fourth hour and nth hour? Solution. Number of bacteria present at the end of successive hours form a GP 30 into 2, 30 into 2 square, 30 into 2 cube, dash dash dash. Therefore, number of bacteria present at the end of second hour is equal to 30 into 2 square is equal to 120. Number of bacteria present at the end of fourth hour is equal to 30 into 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 480. And number of bacteria present at the end of nth hour is equal to 30 into 2 raised to the power n. Question number 32. If arithmetic mean and geometric mean of roots of a quadratic equation are 8 and 5 respectively, then obtain the quadratic equation. Solution. Let alpha and beta be the roots of required quadratic equation. Then A is equal to alpha plus beta divided by 2. This implies alpha plus beta is equal to 2a is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 60. And G is equal to square root of alpha into beta. This implies alpha beta is equal to z square is equal to phi square is equal to 25. Therefore, required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. That is x square minus sum of roots 16 into x plus product of roots 25 is equal to 0. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 9. First question. Show that the sum of m plus n and m minus n terms of an AP is equal to twice the mth term. Solution. Let A be the first term and D the common difference of an AP. Then A m plus n plus A m minus n is equal to A plus m plus n minus 1 into D plus A plus m minus n minus 1 into D is equal to A plus A 2A plus, let us take D common from these two terms, m plus n minus 1 plus m minus n minus 1 into D is equal to, so here plus n and minus n will get cancelled. 2a plus will get 2m minus 2. 2m minus 2 into D is equal to, let us take 2 common, 2 into bracket a plus m minus 1 into D is equal to 2 into, this is nothing but as a mth term, that is am. Second question. If the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440, find the numbers. Solution. Let the three numbers of the AP be A minus D A plus D. Then A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 24, and A minus D into A plus D is equal to 440. First equation implies plus D and minus D will get cancelled. We will get 3A is equal to 24. This implies A is equal to 8. Second equation implies A into A minus D into A plus D, that is A square minus D square is equal to 440. This implies A value is 8. So 8 square 64 minus D square is equal to 440. We can cancel 8 1 is 8, 8 5 is 40, and again 8 5 is 40. This implies D square you can send that side. 64 minus 55 is equal to D square. This implies D square is equal to 9, implies D is equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, the required numbers are A minus D when D is equal to 3, 5, next 8, A plus D, 11, or 11, 8, 5. Question number 3. Let the sum of n, 2n, 3n terms of an AP be S1, S2 and S3 respectively. Show that S3 is equal to 3 into bracket S2 minus S1. Solution. Let A be the first term and D the common difference of the AP. Then S1 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Say number 1. S2 is equal to 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d, say number 2, and S3 is equal to 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, say number 3. Two minus 1 implies S2 minus S1 is equal to 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t is equal to, by taking n by 2 common, we get 2 into 2, that is 4a plus 4n minus 2 into d minus 2a minus n minus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into 4a minus 2a plus 4n minus 2 minus n plus 1 into d is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. This implies 3 times of S2 minus S1 is equal to 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. This implies 3 into bracket S2 minus S1 is equal to S3. Question number 7. If f is a function satisfying f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for all xy belongs to n, such that f of 1 is equal to 3 and sigma f of x is equal to 1 to n is equal to 120, find the value of n. Solution. We have f of 1 is equal to 3 and f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y for every x, y belongs to n. Therefore, f of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 into f of 1 is equal to 3 into 3 implies f of 2 is equal to 9. F of 1 plus 2 is equal to f of 1 into f of 2 is equal to 3 into 9 implies f of 3 is equal to 27. And so on. Therefore, sigma f of x is equal to 1 to n is equal to 120 implies f of 1 when x is equal to 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus dash 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 plus f of n is equal to 120. This implies 3 plus f of 2 is 3 square plus 3 cube plus dash 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 plus 3 raised to the power n is equal to 120. This implies 3 into what is R? R is 3. 3 raised to the power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. 3 ones, 3 fours. This implies 3 raised to the power n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 40, that is 80. Implies 3 raised to the power n is equal to 81 is nothing but as a 3 raised to the power 4. Implies n is equal to 4. Question number 10. The sum of three numbers in a GP is 56. If we subtract 1, 7, 21 from these numbers in that order, we obtain arithmetic progression. Find the numbers. Solution. Let the three numbers be AR square. Then A plus AR plus AR square is equal to 56. This implies A into bracket 1 plus R square is equal to 56. Say number 1. And A minus 1, AR minus 7, AR square minus 21 are in AP. Therefore, sum of extremes, that is A minus 1 plus AR square minus 21 is equal to 2 times of middle term, that is AR minus 7. This implies a plus ar square minus 22 minus 2ar plus 14 is equal to 0. This implies a plus ar square minus 2ar minus 8 is equal to 0. Implies ar square minus 2ar plus a is equal to 8. Implies when you take a common, r square minus 2r plus 1 is equal to 8. Say number 2. Dividing 1 by 2, we get a into 1 plus r square divided by a into r square minus 2r plus 1 is equal to 56 divided by 8. By cross multiplication, we will get 7 r square minus 14 r plus 7 when you take left side minus 1 minus r square is equal to 0. This implies 6r square minus 15r plus 6 is equal to 0. Implies 6r square minus 12r minus 3r plus 6 is equal to 0. This implies from first two terms we can take 6r common, then we will get r minus 2. From next two terms we can take minus 3 common, then we will get r minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies r minus 2 into 6r minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies r is equal to 2 or r is equal to 1 by 2. When r is equal to 2, from 1 a into 1 plus 2 plus 2 square is equal to 56 implies a into bracket 7 is equal to 56. This implies a is equal to 8. When r is equal to 1 by 2, from 1, a into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 56. This implies a into bracket 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 56. This implies a into bracket 7 by 4 is equal to 56. This implies a is equal to 32. Therefore, required numbers are 8, 16, 32 or 32, 16, 8.